is Jonathan, and I am one of the engineers over here at NetBurner. Today, we are going to walk through getting up and running with our MODM7AE70 development kit, and let me tell you, it's not just a sexy name. At NetBurner, we pride ourselves on ease of use and reliability, but that doesn't mean there can't be a few stumbling blocks right out of the gate. We're going to address a few of these and make sure you have your best foot forward as you begin your product and application development process. If you need any help along the way, please feel free to reach out and let us know. We love hearing from you and want to do everything we can to make sure you're successful with your development kit. If you have an active support account with us, you can reach us directly at support@netburner.com. If not, you can still email us at sales@netburner.com and someone will respond to you shortly. Alrighty, back to the task at hand. The first thing we're going to do is go over the contents of the development kit. Next, we'll cover how to create a support account so that you can get access to the tools and all of the help that you need. Finally, we'll cover how to download the tools and install them on your machine. When you first open up your development kit box, you should find the following items. A red card with your personal NNDK software and tools registration number on it, as well as a download link. Please do not lose this card. It is very important. A USB cable that can be used both to power the device and to read the serial connection. A serial cable for those old schoolers that have a DB9 port on your computer or happen to have a USB to serial adapter. A standard Ethernet cable. And last but not least, the belle of the ball, the MODM7AE70 module and the carrier board, the MODM7AE70CR. The module itself should already be inserted into the carrier board when you get it, but if not, go ahead and put it into the carrier board with the Ethernet jack facing out, like this. Please take special care to ensure that the pins are aligned properly, otherwise you'll be in for a rough ride. Now, before we can download and install the tools, we're going to have to take care of a couple of housekeeping items. First, we're going to grab the red card that came with the development kit, the one that we said please don't lose. Next, we're going to open up a browser and go to support.netburner.com. Underneath the login fields, we're going to see a button that says New User, and we're going to click on that. We'll need to fill out all of the corresponding information on the form that's provided. And at the bottom where it says serial numbers, you're going to select the module from the drop-down and type in the whole serial number in the serial number text field. This will include the name of the module itself. Finally, we hit submit and let the magic happen. Now, once we've done that, we should be able to log in. Once we've logged into the support site, we're going to click on the link labeled Get Latest Tools located on the left-hand side. This should take us to the page similar to what we see here. Because we're dealing exclusively with the MODM7AE70, we're going to want to grab the 3.1 tools. One thing we'll want to make sure of, for those of you that have downloaded and installed a previous version of our tools, is that we don't want to install over the old directory. So what we're going to do is just navigate to that folder, rename it to something else, and now we can proceed as normal. Once we finish downloading them, double-click through the installer and walk through the install process, which is just about the same as every other installer you might run. When you get to the portion of the installer that asks for the serial number for your module, please enter all of the serial numbers for modules that you plan on doing development work with this installed version of the NNDK. If you're a new customer, this will likely just be the MODM7AE70 serial number that we use to create your support account. However, if you're a previous customer, it may include other modules as well. That'll wrap up this video. Thanks a lot for joining me. Our next video will cover how to connect your module and verify that it is live and well on your network.